Okay, so here's the finished product. It took about 3.5 hours for 2 people to rebuild the waterfall here. So we rebuilt that, took the fast falls out, and we put a little spillway bowl in. And you can see how it looks right now. We'll take a little walk over that way and we'll see how it looks close up. It has a nice little sound to it. I don't know if you can see in here where that little leaf is. See all the little crystals in the rock? Hopefully you can see it right there where that little leaf is, all those little crystals in that rock. It looks really cool. We'll back up a little bit. There's a 3,500 gallon pump on that. Just pushing through. I'm going to ball valve it back because it's a little bit too strong. You can see the fish food in there. Threw some of that in there to feed the fish. And again, we've got some tannins in the water just because of the pine trees that we have and the maple trees dropping all their seeds. About 32 koi in there. And again, we put some impatiens along the other waterfall over here to help make the waterfall look a lot nicer. You can see them right there. Different colors. Take the dirt off the roots, stick them in along the edge of the waterfall or in the stream. They kind of like that. They do very nice. Oops. Sorry about that. Again, thanks for watching the videos, even though it takes me a little bit of time to put 2 of them in. I can't do the editing yet, but I'm working on that. I'm not very skilled at it. And we'll get there. Nancy's up there decorating. She put some driftwood around it now. So it looks a little bit nicer. Got some driftwood around. And then we'll put a light in there later for nighttime. But about 3.5 hours. Took 2 people to do that. For us to build one of those on someone's property. About $4,200 for all the rock and the labor and the spillway and the pump and a basin to recirculate the water. I'll give you a close-up look of the impatiens here. Oh, and this thing's pretty cool right here. This is solar, and it's got these little fiber optic lights that come on, so it looks really neat at night. Here, check out these impatiens. Just listen to that sound. Okay, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it.